Oke guys, kembali lagi di channel Endfield. Kali ini kita akan lanjutkan game Arknight Endfield. Besok baru kita bisa dapat ini. Oke, kita harus ke development area. Di bawah bisa ke bawah, tapi kita lanjut ceritanya gitu. Ada batu. Mereka seperti capek. Kanan kiri nggak ada apa-apa.
Go get him! Hold him off, boys! Fresh meat! We got fresh meat coming! Drop it!
Cast off as cast! Here's our tip!
We're all around you! Got a present for you. Face your end! What's this?
These LBs really aren't scared of anything, huh? Are you all right?
This is strange. The Landbreakers have built a camp here, but they did not loot the nearby areas.
That means we kept most of our stuff, right? Sounds like good news to me.
But it makes no sense. These raiders often raid various sites and settlements for essential resources. I was expecting to see devastation.
So you're saying that they left most of the loot nearby, but stayed put here? It's not raiding. More like occupying.
Occupying?
Endman? Supervisor Perlica? I'm on my way with the cleanup crew. Please wait for us.
Oke, gurunya.
Oh, it's Big Owl. Wait, he didn't mention my name?
We'll talk about the Landbreakers later. Our priority is to deploy the automation core. Since Andre and his crew are arriving soon, we can clean this site of their illegal and unwanted structures.
Rapikan. Barang-barangnya sudah dirapikan.
Oh, my legs are giving out. This physical work almost got me killed. Anyway, this place is cleaned up. No time to lose now. Let's get started.
Whoa, let's just take it easy. You seem super excited today.
Of course I am. Our goal in coming to the hub base is to prepare the AIC factory. We gotta run it through a field test and production trials. Though I must admit, I never expected to do it under such dire circumstances.
Supervisor Perlica, we've received your protocol application and verified all access authority levels. You may issue the order for PAC deployment anytime now.
Understood. The Endman and I shall initiate deployment at once. Endman, the PAC is protected by the highest levels of encryption. Only you can authorize its deployment. Everything is now in place. Let us begin.
Mulai apa? Mulai membangun.
That's wonderful! It's just like what I've envisaged. We can totally deploy the PAC further north and push into the frontiers. Sorry. I just got a little too excited. Whew.
With the Protocol Automation Core deployed, this place is now the core AIC area. We can begin setting up our teleprotocol network. The AIC factory will need the core AIC area to perform production work. It will also be able to support and satisfy resource needs in its area. Now that we've seen the stars, we should plant our feet on solid ground. You reminded us with this line on more than one occasion. Don't worry, Endman. We have not forgotten your lesson. The Protocol Automation Core and the entire AIC factory it supports will give rise to new hope.
I'm gonna give the automation core a few tweaks. Just deploy the relay towers and transmit power to the Protocol Resonance Tower. This will let us force restart the Originium power facilities within the hub base.
I've allocated a batch of relay tower from our stockpile. We can now deploy these facilities anytime at the required locations.
Wow, that sounds awesome! How does it work?
Oh, you can treat it as a form of facility printing based on the properties of Originium. As for what the automation core can really do, this is just the tip of the iceberg. By using the reverse internalization technology, the automation core can serve even greater purposes. But right now, let's focus on the problem at hand.
Problemnya apa? Now kita masuk mode konstruksi. Strength of Endfield Industry made manifested. Kita bisa tekan tab buat explore. Kita bisa tekan V untuk backpack. Di sini ada AIC mode, placement facility. Tetap satu, tutup. Kita bisa taruh.
You know, I've seen other Hongshan sword lancers. Everyone seems
Okay, confirm. Relay tower power transmission. Relay key transmission facility can be used to transmit power to another relay tower. The technicians connect to the power grid. Oh, jadi kayak ini ya, kabel listriknya.
Nicely done. Our next step is to start power transmission from the PAC.
Listrik ya. Tekan F, start transmission.
Just plug the cable in right here.
Maksimal 80.
Both the PAC and relay tower seem to be in working order. Now, we just need to deploy more relay towers and transmit power to the resonance tower.
Jadi kita harus pasang ini di tempat-tempat bisa sampai ke situ.
Well, looks like my work here is done. Supervisor Perlica, I guess I'll head over there to do some inspection work. Using the Protocol Resonance Tower to force activate Originium might damage our facilities. If we're not careful with this, we might fry every Originium facility in the area.
Okay then, time to split our forces. Completing the automated industry complex is a top priority for Endfield Industries. It is our core solution for dealing with the hazards of Talos 2. Endfield completed basic verifications of the PAC technology several years ago. However, we encountered a crucial bottleneck that delayed our progress. Until recently.
Oh, itu bisa diambil semua.
All have been set upon this land before us, and with the toil of our hands
this!
Kita farming terus.
Didn't expect this, right? My special swordsmancy for rocky stuff.
Lihat nih ada laba-laba batu nih. Kok menghindar deh. Mereka tidak berbahaya guys. Mereka bisa kita jadikan bola. Tendang bola, jatuh dari atas. Enggak mati. Lanjut transmit power
All
protocol.
have been set upon this land before us, and with the toil of our hands shall they be acquired.
Kita datangnya dari sana kan.
Didn't expect this, right? My special swordsmancy for rocky stuff.
Oh iya, gue lupa. Betulnya gue bisa redeem code ya. Caranya gimana? Ini exchange code. Jangan lupa untuk ditukar guys. Endfield. Oke, berhasil. Lalu apa tuh? Return of power. Oke, kita exchange lagi. Endfield gear. Salah. Endfield gear. Situ kita Endfield PC. Oke. Udah, berarti kita dapat surat. Tekan K. Kita klaim semuanya. 1500 K. Currency, mark of preference. Oke. Kita udah bisa. Itu apa? Itu senjata. Kita ada ini nih. Florence Rock. Arts unit. Kita bisa kasih ke si ini.
Originium will carve a path for us.
Contemplation, computation. Operator Perlica, standing. Contemplation, computation. Utterance, abandonment.
Tukar ke ini.
May I make slight modifications to this? I assure you, they will remain within the bounds of safety.
Udah. Senjata kita ada max. Juga dinaikkan. Nice. Ini perlu kita naikkan kah? Bisa terlalu banyak. Juga bisa terlalu banyak sih. Oke. Kita lanjut jalan lagi. Tadi gue lihat ada balon ini, balon guna buat apa? Gak bisa kita akses. Di situ ada gedung lagi di sana. Oke. Kita bisa bikin 5 transmit power ya. Kita nggak perlu pusing. Mining rig for digging up organic ore. This rig does not need to be connected. nol. Kita harus ada bendanya berarti. Theater, porous material. Ini buat hancurin material. Nggak ada ya. Di sana. Salah. Tekan apa? Oke. Oh, sekali. Kita ikuti tandanya. Sini kali.
These minerals may come in handy.
Mineral ores form the foundation of industry. We should gather more.
Gak bisa kan mereka mining sendiri?
Engage!
Engage. Itu ada sesuatu di situ. Dapat box. Itu ada laba-laba di situ. Jadi kalau gua mau pasang tower di sini, gua harus ke sini, lalu gua pasang. Gua harus ke sini dulu. Gua aktifkan buat ini satu, terus gua jalan ke bawah. Tarik kabel. Please acquire access. Cuma 80 kan? Boxnya kita sudah terbuka. Belum ternyata ya. Seal crate 3. Satu lagi di situ. Dan gua harus pasang satu lagi di sini. Oh. Elektrokinesis. Power gate 100 kan. Power. Sini lagi. Pasang kabel, kita ke bawah. Oke, kita bisa. Mau ke sini punya nih. Oh, ada itu. Bisa di Kak.
Ooh, they usually hide secret tomes in crates like this.
Gue dapat senjata. Gue naik ke level 3. Apa tuh? Agus layer. Karena kita mau transmit powernya ke...
We're almost there, Endman.
Yeay, kita pasang. Protokol 516 nyala. Connected. Gambar bintang. Atas. Yeay, semuanya nyala. Kebuka semua ruangannya. Jadi kita bisa menjelajah lebih dalam.
Tell the boss. Endfield has arrived. Their administrator has taken notice of us. All the boss's predictions have come true.
Bos mereka siapa?
Good. Connection interfaces look normal. I was worried about compatibility issues between our old and new equipment.
I thought you Enfielders would never finish that project of yours, but you just deployed it in a flash. This tech is incredible.
We now only need a single night to construct a proper shelter in the wildlands. This is the future that we want to achieve with our AIC factory technology.
Oh, ini rumah.
What was once our dream has finally made a major stride forward.
You did a great job, Big Owl. Oh, I mean, Mr. Andre.
Oh, why so polite today, Master Chen? You got my feathers tingling and fluffed. I can hardly recall the last time you called me Mr. Andre.
I've always been like this.
Endman, Supervisor Perlica, power is back online at the hub base. Thank you so much.
Roger that, Director Chin. The automation core is working well. Perhaps we can run a few more tests. Is there anything else we can help with?
Yes, we could definitely use the support. The comms node is still under repair, so we can't contact other regions yet. And we're short-handed across the entire hub. Right now, the biggest problem is the Originium byproduct processing center. If anything happens to that place, the results could be disastrous. I'm forwarding information on the site to you.
Oke, kita ke
Wait.
sini nih.
The Angeloy wouldn't cause this kind of damage. Maybe the Landbreakers had their eyes on something inside.
What's in the byproduct you mentioned? Another important project of yours?
Byproducts include all sorts of things you can think of. But Originium batteries would be the most important. I guess the LBs are after that. Let's set aside how many these raiders stole for now. The worst part is that they know little about the safe handling of flammable and explosive materials. Things will be catastrophic if they accidentally set off an Originium explosion.
Waduh.
Someone must have planned and coordinated this landbreaker attack on our base. The underground lab, the protocol automation core deployment area, and now, byproduct processing center. Landbreakers usually wouldn't consider these as prime targets for looting and raiding.
Then what are we waiting for? Let's head over right now and check out what those pipe-faced bandits are after.
The photo tells me that the processing center has suffered severe damage. We must repair the local infrastructure first. Otherwise, we can't ensure the safety of subsequent support and repair operations.
This is where the AIC factory comes in. Let's head on over to the core AIC area right now.
Right now. Let's check, klik continue, kita ke database. Ada breaking news, ada kota. Map the hub, show the children the various information. Klik continue. Kita di sini. Jadi teleport, bisa teleport kita.
Entering core AIC area.
Berarti seharusnya kita bisa pasang ini lagi di beberapa tempat berbeda. Nge-lag guys. Oke, kita dapat ini. Switchnya naik. The hub. Kita masuk chapter the hub. Kita coba lihat dulu eventnya. New Horizon belum ya. Oke, kita ke Hackhan. Belum dapat yang gratisan. Oke, kita langsung aja meet with Andre at the core. Ketemu sama Andre dulu.
Judging by how bad that gate looks, the facilities inside are probably damaged too. We must prepare some materials for carrying out emergency repairs. I recommend the Origo crust. It's the most common material for producing all kinds of machinery and equipment. The very nature of Originium makes it the quintessential material for industry and engineering.
Wow, if it's that useful, I'm guessing we've got a whole warehouse full of it, right?
Yeah, we, just happened to have used up the local stash. Nobody expected that anchor fall to hit right in the middle of our base. There was so much damage that we needed to fix. That being said, we have to start from square one and do some manual mining. I'll prep various AIC facilities while you head out there and gather some Originium ore.
Oh, jadi di sini tempat buat miningnya.
You'll see plenty of ore formations and trees in the wilderness of Talos too. Since we lack proper gathering tools, I suppose we can hit them with our weapons.
Nice. I guess it's time to show the Endmen my new moves.
Jadi kita bisa pukul pohon juga ya. Oh, kita bisa dapat.
Where should we go?
Take this!
Mineral ores form the foundation of industry.
Kita nggak salah ini. Kita udah banyak. Kita cari pohon. Pohonnya gede tuh, bisa ditebang nggak ya? Mereka nggak bisa mati.
What's this?
Kita nebang pohon. Nebang pohon.
What's this?
Itu ada batu yang berbeda.
Take this!
Amnesty.
All have been set upon this land before us, and with the toil of our hands shall
Mineral ores form the foundation of industry. We should gather more.
What's this?
all have been set upon this land before and with the toil of our hands shall they
Kita
live.
mainin dulu guys. Sebelum kita bikin basic, kita bikin alat main.
Didn't expect this, right? My special swordsmanship for rocky stuff.
Cari
These minerals may come in handy.
barang-barang yang lainnya. Ini kan yang biru. Kita ketemu sama itu, ada makhluk apa itu? Itu juga bisa. Itu ada level 10. Kita bisa bantai mereka. Daging. Lalu ini apa ini? Apa ini? Anomali. Oh, kita nggak bisa aktifkan anomali. Udah, apakah kita harus cari bantuan di sini? Ada yang bisa dimainin? Warnanya mencurigakan. Apakah bisa maju ke atas? Nggak bisa. Udah, kita kembali ke Andre dulu.
Good. We have enough Originium ore, Endman. Now let's get started making Origo crusts. I've readied the facilities. We should deploy them near the PAC to start our work.
Tekan B. Satu. Tutup. Di situ kita taruh. Kita harus sambungkan kabelnya. Ini. Oh, harus kena gridnya. Jadi harus dekat dengan power supply-nya, sama harus dekat dengan alat-alatnya.
Construction complete. We can now activate the refining unit.
Oke, kita ngomong sama Andre lagi.
Endman, you're an incredible learner. So, these are the basics of using the AIC. Keep them in mind, and they'll come in handy. Oh, perhaps incredible learner would be the wrong way to put it. After all, it was you who... Anyway, you can start moving again once you're ready. Now that we have these materials, we can still salvage the Originium machinery, as long as it's not completely destroyed. We better hurry.
Big Owl? Besides those batteries, is there something else you're worried about in the processing center?
Yeah, Chen. You got really sharp senses. Please direct them somewhere else next time. I actually left a set of parts and some key documents for the prototype's upgrades. If I lose them, I won't be able to wrap up my work on the prototype.
Important documents. Mr. Andre, you could have told us earlier. Director Chin would have...
Oh, you started the project without Director Chin's approval, didn't you?
No, it's not like that. It's fine. The evaluation process can be a real bummer. So I spent my own money and got someone to custom build a set of special equipment. These are actually modification parts for a large area arts unit. Oh dear. If Chin learns of this, she's gonna have a really long talk with me. But I can't just delay the progress of the prototype project. It will be such a waste. Enman, Supervisor Perlica, please. You must understand.
We understand. Let's move out as soon as we can, Endman.
Oh, thank you so much. By the way, some operators just set up a few zip lines in this area. Use them. They'll help you get around faster.
Yeah. Thank you.
Shared facilities left by others are temporary. Feel free to try them out if you want.
Jadi kita langsung gitu. Gua masih mau bikin barang gua. Jadi bisa kita nggak tahu gunaannya, nanti aja dulu. Oh, kita bisa repair, lalu seharusnya kita bisa kita bisa turun sih. Kita pakai doginya nggak usah. Kita ke sana itu ada. Kita bisa keliling-keliling situ juga. Tuh kayaknya ada anomali lagi.
Only by walking upon the land.
Oh, this looks way worse than the photo.
Something's not right. They smashed the circuitry when the gate was closed. Those inside probably want to keep everyone out.
Manage depot, stas. Kita nggak butuh, kita ada ini healing kan. Juga gua langsung pakai sudah. Udah deh. Apa nih submit? Oh, yang gitu ya. Oh ini naik, stamina kita naik. Di sana ada dogi. Level 4. Kita lanjut ceritanya dulu aja. 9. Oh, bisa dapat. Oh, kita butuh material cost-nya. Berarti gua harus bawa ini. Oke. Repair. Cuma butuh 5.
These Origo crusts really saved us some trouble.
Ya,
We have Mr.
nanoteknologi.
Andre to thank for that.
Nanoteknologi.
Look, the Landbreakers really turned this place upside down. They seem to be looking for something.
Ya, mukanya nggak dapat ya.
Wait. Don't tell me that the LBs are really after the parts. What would they use them for?
I hope they have evacuated to safety. Perhaps we should do another sweep just to be sure.
Yeah.
Give the area a scan, Endman. The scanner might be able to locate some useful information.
Ini peta apa nih maksudnya? Garis-garis kotak. Sambungannya terputus. Recycling station. Oh. Kita bisa upgrade ke ilmu kurang. Material kurang ya, sama punya. Bagus tuh. Di sini nggak ada. Ada kotak, dapat kotak. Itu udah nyala kan? Kita nggak bisa. Oh itu, apa itu?
Even breached this even breached this place. These Landbreakers are clearly covering every inch. The Landbreakers lingered here for quite a while. No signs of combat. Likely a failed stakeout or ambush.
Sana ada itu. Ada box. Oke. Berarti ya memang kita harus ini ya, harus pasang kabel ya. And power.
The footprints lead deeper into this facility.
That would lead to a dead end. We should hurry up.
Iya. Sebelum itu kita keliling dulu. Like ini new map.
Someone has flipped through these data files. Were some of them taken away?
Kita bisa ke atas. Aku dengar di sebelah ada musuh.
It must be somewhere. Boss wants the crate. Oh, God. We can search this place again. Keep looking. I'll poke around in other places.
Gathering data.
Leave it to me!
No second chance.
Face your ass.
Push forward!
Down.
Down. Bisa naik ke atas. Bisa, tidak bisa ya. Oh, oke, mantap. Ya, jadi break di atas. Ada yang baru, pistol. Situ ada itu. Caranya gimana? Harus sebelah gitu. Harus ke sebelah berarti.
Still waiting for something?
Operator Prolica, standing by.
Watch this!
I offer today's dialogue and contemplation to your terminal, in reverence.
The path ahead.
Wind speed's okay? Visibility's good. A strong team is one without any weak links. Who's due for some...
I believe we should be better
Wanna come snowboarding with me, Endman?
Yang satu Christian kayak Rodemic juga boleh sih.
These records offer valuable references. They give me plenty of ideas for future SAR operations.
Kita bisa tukar part.
All operators accounted for. The team is ready for the mission.
I'll protect everyone.
I'll protect everyone.
A blade unsheathed, left unleashed.
All variables within estimate.
Maybe they're gone.
Keep your head down and shush.
The footprints fade into that direction. We need to find a way to reach the upper platform. Let's look around. Perhaps we can find a crate to hop on. Don't be afraid. We are the Endfield crisis team. You're now safe.
Yeah, we totally defeated those landbreakers. They'll trouble you no more.
Oh, thank you all. We're finally safe.
Our security cameras found the landbreaker mobs heading this way. We stopped our work immediately, then took this set of equipment and the accompanying technical documents with us.
We got no idea what it's for, but the packaging label says it's top priority. It's covered in Endfield logos. You came for this, right? Guess we really did save something important.
This is it. This is the set of prototype parts that Mr. Andre mentioned. Thank you. The two of you acted in a decisive and timely manner to save a key asset of Endfield Industries. Now that it's been recovered, I shall relay your actions to the site director.
Kerja bagus. Padahal
Great.
barangnya sih itu.
Oh, we also found a few other things. These combat records might be useful to you. Please take them.
Thank you. Saya akan ambil dengan senang hati.
Originium will carve a path for us. I'll never forget the sight of them.
Prepped and ready to go.
Over here, Redman!
Since the landbreakers are gone, we should start the emergency repairs. They should last until the base sends more people and materials for a proper makeover. You know, we really appreciate all the help you gave us, my Endfielder friends. Things look good for now.
Ya, baik-baik saja. Mereka datang.
You stop! Drop the loot! That crate! It's ours!
Kita nggak bisa masuk. Kita harus melangkah dulu. Oh ya, berarti kita bisa bawa crate-nya dari situ ke sini kan?
This ain't normal.
Ready for the rescue. Here's our chance.
We seem to have high values in concrete.
KO.
Whew, they just won't give up. What is it, Perlica? Thinking about something?
Those landbreakers. You heard what they said. Their leader is looking for the parts and the documents.
But why would the LBs want the documents? I mean, can they even understand this stack of technobabble?
What's even more suspicious is Mr. Andre mentioned that he ordered and paid for the Originium modification parts himself. How would the landbreakers acquire such information?
Jangan-jangan.
Mr. Andre should know more than us. Endfield has worked together with the UWST for quite a while. We often carry out joint engineering projects together. The UWST has spent years researching the ether rift of Valley 4. They have constructed an ether test site at the power plateau for this purpose. Though it does make little sense, I have a feeling that these landbreakers are indeed looking for our technology and products. We'll get to the bottom of this afterwards. The good news is that we successfully secured the processing center and recovered the parts and the documents. We should head back to Mr. Andre.
Oke. Kita kembali lagi ke Mr. Andre.
Endman, the automation core can also be a target destination for teleprotocol. Time is a luxury we don't really have. So let's try using teleprotocol and get back to the automation core instantly. Now that everything's settled, I guess Mr. Andre can finally breathe easy.
Guys, you've got to make Big Owl treat us to a mega feast. Otherwise, you're just spoiling him.
Iya. Nggak bisa, guys. Nggak bisa ternyata. Ada itunya, ada pembatasnya. Gimana caranya kita bisa ke situ ya? Nope, nggak bisa. Berarti kita harus ke paling atas gitu. Ke atas ini ternyata. Oke, susah ternyata di sini. Ya, kita bisa juga. Yeay, kita ketemu peti banyak. Ada. Oh, dapat senjata juga.
Oh, they usually hide secret tomes in crates like this.
Dapat senjata lagi, guys. Bakar.
Oraline is a fragment of a shattered universe. this one traveled massive distances to be here, right before us.
Still waiting for something?
Oke, kita dapat senjata baru. Pas senjata ini. Dapat ini kan?
Time to come up with optimum tactics for wielding this weapon.
Originally more
Contemplation.
I'm fine.
Get a new assignment.
Udah kita bisa kasih dia pistol yang itu. Yang ini.
Very well balanced. Grazie. Eccomi.
A strong
I am trying.
Contemplation.
over here, Edmund.
Udah kita dapat yang kita mau. Sekarang kita keluar. Ini nggak skip apa ya coba. Tidak ada penampilan di sana. Kalian menghalang. Kita bisa masuk, dapat peti, dapat senjata. Oke, kita bisa pindah ke ini lagi.
Size of Oraline.
Lompat, lompat, lompat. Dah, lagi dah. Ayo kita balik ke base camp. Itu apa dulu? Ada lubang. Nah, kita kembali ke itu ya. Satu lagi. Itu risiko. Kita harus ke J. J itu ini misi. Kita buka lah. Teleport.
Mr. Andre, we found the things you need. We also met a few fortunate UWST crewmates who survived. They're now carrying out repairs in accordance with their contingency plans.
Wonderful, Endman and Supervisor Perlica. I'll give Director Chin an update regarding the situation at the processing center. Oh, by the way, you probably saw plenty of damaged facilities in the hub area. Most of them can be fixed with Origo crusts, and that will mean we need to gather a lot more Originium ore. Now, I don't want to dent Master Chen's legendary Hangshan blades, so I prepped a few auto-mining rigs while you carried out your mission. This, Endman, is the Endfield Portable Originium rig. Just deploy it on a mining spot, and it will mine the ore automatically for you. Go ahead and try it out on a nearby mining spot.
The portable Originium rig automatically sets aside some of the excavated ore to power. This is the place, Endman. Let's deploy the portable Originium rig on this mining spot.
tekan B. Kita mulai ini mining. Ada titik mining di mana? Oke. Kita ke
Endman, we can now produce
I
Origo
see.
crusts in batches. Just like before, we'll make them by putting Originium ore into the refining unit.
Oh, kita sini. Kita masih banyak sih sebenarnya.
Fabulous! I now have everything I need to start repairing the prototype. Endman, make sure you're here to witness its awakening. Don't miss it. Promise you'll be here to see it. Landbreakers? Why would they want these things? T11 Originium prisms are highly fragile. Same goes for the high-precision nucleic crystal centers. If handled by untrained personnel, they can be easily damaged. The prototype is an experimental tech we developed for the ether side. To the Landbreakers, it's probably just a hunk of scrap. Yeah, quite odd indeed. Maybe some Landbreakers thought, hey, that looks expensive, and figured they could flip it on the black market. Anyway, since we've retrieved the crucial items, let's focus on the matter at hand. We should also update each other if we find anything new.
Endman, I received Andre's message. Good job out there. A team to reinforce the Originium byproduct processing center is en route. The Arsenal is the objective of our next mission. I couldn't get in touch with our Arsenal engineer. The entrance of the Arsenal was blocked by a collapsed building during the attack. Our closest Enfielder is investigating the site as we speak. She should be in touch with you soon.
Endman, we got a high payload situation on our hands. We don't have enough people to clean up the collapsed building, and we couldn't bring in the heavy machinery. The only solution left is to up the yield and blast it all to pieces. I wonder if the crisis team could do me a favor and get me some of that Originium powder? I'll wait for you at the Arsenal entrance.
Originium powder? I'm sure Big Owl knows how to make it, right?
Of course I do. It's time to reveal the shredding unit. Mineral ores, metals, plants, it doesn't matter. You name it, it shreds it. This is your penultimate shredding solution, proudly designed by Endfield Industries. Head to the PAC and use it to construct a shredding unit. The PAC is meeting all our expectations so far. We just don't have a lot of numbers from field operations. We're counting on you to generate the data, Endman. Try to deploy the shredding unit close to the PAC.
Entering core AIC area.
Facilitas shredding unit. Construction. Construct. Oh, kita bisa construct ternyata. Placement. Place.
Endman, activate the shredding unit control panel to check how it's used.
Unit. Oh, ini ke ini. Ke ini.
Simple and intuitive, right? There's the same basic control panel as the refining unit. I say it's time to shred some
We got the powder. Time to head to the arsenal. I haven't had proper fireworks ever since I left Wu Ling.
If I'm not mistaken, the local arsenal is managed by an arsenal engineer from Endfield.
Arsenal engineer? I remember seeing a little girl who was always running around with weapons in her arms back in Endfield. Are they related?
The arsenal engineers
Terus teleport ini apa? Rare growth. Ini. Electric nexus, mineral bond. Ini apa? Oh, ada yang tunggu.
of Endfield Industries are professionals in all forms of armaments. The little girl you saw is actually their director. I'll properly introduce our arsenal director once we find the time. I'm sure she will get along with you and our Endmen.
Guys, kita belum coba itu ya, masukin daging ya. Nggak ada box. Tanamannya. Ini apa? Itu ada kelincinya. Bisa kita bunuh kah? Oh, nggak bisa. Nggak boleh ya. Kita nggak boleh bunuh ya. Malah kecil. Oh, apa itu? Level 30. Mungkin kita coba bantai kan?
Rescue! EMS has arrived!
Cleave now and cut!
Your end awaits.
Sterilize this area!
Take this! Face your end!
Brave with me! Here's our chance!
Kita nggak bisa itu ya, isi darah ya.
Storm of Frost! Sequence! Once known, be dead.
Take him out.
Sterilize this area!
Jatuh.
No second chance. Take this!
Here's our chance! Awesome teamwork!
Watch this! Gotcha! Face your
Once known, be dead. Here's our chance!
Crystallize!
Check all injuries.
Oke.
Assume defensive formation and restore combat ready.
Iya, gue tahu. Level 30 lawan level 20. Ya, lumayan lah. Oke, dapat banyak item.
This feels familiar.
Gue kemana guys? Jatuh gua. Is it ada box? Masuklah. Oh, kita masih bisa selamat guys. Jatuh tidak jauh. Aduh.
Stay alert. This hostile poses significant threat.
Santai saja. Udah nggak ada lagi kan tadi di sana?
Gue lupa loh. Gue nggak ingat loh.
Kita pakai
Kita butuh tim yang bisa healing.
penting itu. Aduh, jatuh lah. Nggak ada. Ini nggak ada. Ini nggak ada. Kita lihat di sini dulu. Tempat lain. Apa tuh, ada SOS. Udah, kita bakar-bakar dulu. Tapi sebelum itu kita baru dapat 6. Oh, ini yang ini. Arsenal. Nanti lah kita baru bisa gacha skill lagi gitu, baru bisa dapat. Oke, kita akan kembali ke base game. Berarti gua harus teleport. Kita lanjut cerita. Habis itu baru kita melakukan hal yang lain.
Everyone is rested.
Ngapain gue makan itu ya? Kan bisa ngeres di situ ya. Iya tuh aneh. Lupa tuh saya.
There's no way we can get through all this rubble. Let's go in.
You're here! Our high payload situation hasn't changed at all. I've prepped the explosives and marked the detonation site. Don't worry, there's no risk of sympathetic detonation. I just hope you have the originium powder to make the bombs. Ho! Endman, this barrel of originium bombs is ready for use. Blasting, demolishing, and rubble-clearing work has never been easier. Oh, and our AIC factory has been deployed, right? Endman, you can totally use the factory to make even more explosives!
She really likes explosives.
Yeah, she is dangerous.
Alrighty. Hope I don't miss. Right on target. I give that explosion a 10 out of 10.
Chen, I remember you making quite a scene with some fireworks. Perhaps you have a knack for demolition work.
Shh! Not here! Not in front of so many people, Pearly. That happened way back.
Banyak senjata. Banyak pistol. Kita bisa self-pitch.
Only by walking upon the land can we truly...
Nggak ada yang sembunyi. Ada yang pingsan.
Hey! You alright?
Breathing is stable. No external injuries detected. He's likely unconscious from the blast. Work ID says Semyon. His vitals look stable. Let's wake him up. Wait, Chen. Go easy on him, alright?
Go easy.
What? An anchor fall struck our base? Wait. Yeah. It's all coming back to me. There was this very loud explosion, and the entire place shook like jelly. Something then probably hit my head.
Oh.
Thank you, Administrator and Supervisor Perlica. You saved my life. I must return to my post. Fortunately, this arsenal still seems intact. Take a piece or two. It's my duty to make sure you're wielding the best weapons we have.
Oh, dia pakai ini. Gua ada 700. Kita dapat ini nih. Vendor. Sekali 50. Stoknya 1. Yaudah, purchase aja. Usul gue dapat ini ya, sama ini. Ini juga ada 1. Oh, salah. Nanti kita masih belum ada.
Still waiting for something?
Oh, substances. Jauh. Oh, dekat sini ternyata. Oh. Ini protokol space tune. Belum bisa tune, kita bisa naikin potensialnya.
Good. It puts my mind at ease. I still have some gear in stock. Come find me if you need anything.
Yes. Tunggu duitku banyak loh ya. Arsenal Shield.
Speaking of which, the Valley won't be the only place that's getting an AIC factory, right?
Valley 4 is the first step for the AIC factory. Our plan is to deploy the AIC in various regions along the frontiers.
So what happens after that?
After that?
Yeah, once we step into the frontiers, what do you want to see? Brand new cities? Or cozy homes for everybody?
I actually hoped to see all those visions you listed, but truth be told, I never thought about the question you asked. Perhaps I only hope to witness the fulfillment of a long-held wish.
Oh, a wish from Pearly? I bet it's something noble and compassionate.
No. It's not a wish from me. It came from someone else. Someone who shared it with me.
Oke, sampai di situ dulu untuk game Arknight Endfield. Kita akan lanjutkan untuk misi berikutnya, Go to the Underground Lab, di video berikutnya. Terima kasih sudah nonton. Jangan lupa
So,
perhatikan
Henman's fighting style is pretty...